How to change keyboard language on Windows 11. Click on Start menu. Then click on Settings. Click on Time and Language. Click on Language and Region option. On the Preferred Language section, click on Add a Language. Search for the language you want to add and select it. Click Next. Make sure to uncheck this option and then click Install. Once the language is installed, you can see the language indicator appears on the taskbar. Now from the Start menu, open on-screen keyboard. Now you can see the keyboard language layout is in English. Click on the language indicator on the taskbar. Select your language. You can see your language has changed. And that's how you can change keyboard language on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.